Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about the Tamron 85mm F1.8 DI VC USD camera lens. And what that all means is DI is the type of sensor you could use with this. VC means vibration compensation, which most of you guys know as image stabilization. And then USD means ultrasonic silent drive, meaning when the lens is focusing, the motors on the inside are silent. But is it really silent? I'll get into that later. The retail price on this, if you look on Amazon, is $750, but I bought it at the camera shop used for $600. The reason why I bought this lens is because it was in my budget. I'm a budget filmmaker. I can't afford a Canon lens, and I really want an 85mm lens inside my kit. I was really considering the Sigma. My best friend has that and she loves it, and I've used it and it's awesome. But the Tamron, this lens, was a little bit more budget friendly for me, and I've had it for about 3 to 4 months and I love it. I mean, I've used it for video and photo, and it's given me sharp images, it's given me that blurry background. I mean, it's f1.8, that's definitely wide enough for you to get a bokeh. The build quality of this is really well also. It's a heavy lens, and it's not cheaply built. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about the USD on this lens. Like I said, I don't think that it is as good as you want it to be. I'll just show you in this next clip that you do hear the motors make noise. Luckily for most people, you guys will be using an external microphone, not the internal mic. So you won't be, it's not that big of a deal because you won't be actually hearing it when you use the external mic. And then here's some shots that I used during the daytime. Like I said, it's very sharp. You get the bokeh look. I've shot these all on C-Log and then, converted to Rec 709. I didn't do any color grading after that. Another thing you want to take a note of right now is the image stabilization. These are all handheld shots. I am really shaky. I do have arthritis, so I just naturally shake a lot more than other people when holding a camera. I think it does pretty well, but it also is just me. I'm a shaky person. So these are some indoor shots, and you kind of get a feel of how the lens performs in a little bit darker environment, but I'll be showing you some shots that I took at night. Alright, and I took these shots at night, so this is the low light capability. However, there are lamps, so it kind of helps brighten the images, but those are the only night shots that I have right now. When I do night, I tend to use my other lens. These are the images that I've taken so far. I've taken a lot of portraits so far, and I just love it. I love the sharpness. I love the colors that it brings out. I love the softness of the background. I just really like the focal length of 85mm. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any more questions about this lens, make sure to drop it below in the comment section, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Alright, see you guys next time.